See them.
If you're not gonna get back to me, if you're not gonna get back with visa.
What is up, babes?
What is some of the
I'm out.
Rich life a fall away. So me tell couple hype on the line for make my skull happy. Give them the sweetest tune with a melody.
Viewers and subscriber blessings once again, and we're there with some good news for the Gaza nation. You see me? And also a bad artist when song Never Stop Playing a Dance Hall, one of the first artists to come out and sing about trapping. You see me? Yeah man, we are talking about exclusive. Yeah man, sent on bad artist. You see me? A man drop a song name 100 billion viewers and subscribers. Me say the artists have some flow, the artists have some style. The artists, yeah, from the artists a release song, me never hear him follow nobody flow, nobody style. So viewers and subscribers, we will talk about the artists, yeah. You see me? Say, yo, can we jump in at the intro? Next me get back to you know. You know the thing go. That is it. Clock is quick.
Zooskull Entertainment. Mark we mark them. Them no bad like none of we dog them. Them know it going exclusive attack. Freeze and away.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back. And we'll kick out the video like this. The artist that we are talking about go by the name of Exclusive from Senton. And all heap of people know this song, the big song. The national anthem for all of the chopper song them are out there. Big money popping anywhere we go. Yeah, are the same artist that we are talking about. You see the artist that we name Exclusive. In then I game for a while, you know. In then I game, a whole heap of artists come and come in the music industry and fade well FM, you know. You see me? And them man are always a job song. Viewers and subscribers. The artist drop a song name 100 billion. Viewers and subscribers, me say it's not a joke thing. What me say the artist do? The artist drop a song name 100 billion. First and foremost, we want to big up triple dose. Zin? Yeah man. Video clean. Song bad. And them sitting here we are talking about. Viewers and subscribers, take out a piece right now. 100 billion.
Melody, no 9 to 5, couldn't give me this so quick. Lock your eye if you no want to see we rich. One phone call me use drag down the whip. Big up every jogger where I drag down brick. Jump on the line lead.
People, when you hear what the artists say, the artists say, yo, all what them have, you know. The 95 couldn't give them that so quick, you know. You see me yet still the man now this no 9 to 5 people, the man just make you know say yo what them have. 9 to 5 couldn't give them so quick, you know. You see me? Yeah man. And the man that say yo if you don't want to see them rich, lock your eye. Just like what Vybz Kartel and say, stroll on. Viewers and subscribers, taking some more of this song. 100 billion by Exclusive.
You see couple spaceship, mixture girls pan the boat cow no racist. Dial load some call one client. Tommy and hope some find one giant. What can believe?
Viewers and subscribers, you hear the man say? The man say all type of girl up on the boat or them a roll out in you know. You see me? Yeah man, the cruise boat or them a roll out in a man. All type, all different nation kawa. They're no racist. You see me? Yeah man, and the man I say yo, he half a whole a giant. Yo, I just a lifestyle. Viewers and subscribers. The artist that we name Exclusive, me can tell you. You know hear about him more than this. I know see more than this. Cause you know, him all hit again. You hear me? And the song you want to have, me can tell you, is a banger. An artist we are putting in the work, you know. You see me? So what I want to do, I want to run over the artist page. Go check out the song. You see me? Make him know say yo, a Zooskull Entertainment, send him over there. You see me? Yeah man, you know the thing, go me up pin the link down below in the description. You see me? And also in the comment section where you can find it. You see me? I want to go over there go stream the artist song man. You see me? Yeah man, for Exclusive Vivo channel. You see me? For YouTube. So you know the thing go. Anyway, Vybz Kartel and Sidem fly out Ghana the state. Viewers and subscribers is a good look for the teacher. Yo, the man accomplished a lot since he come out of jail in less than a year. And a whole heap of artists, they are road and them not do nothing. Zin, now, Vybz Kartel touch back road, a whole heap of them they want to come a road because they know what are going to happen. They know what Vybz Kartel really are going to do. Because viewers and subscribers is a jar, you know. It's a thing for say, the man put back dancehall on the level they where he did there, you know. Where people can talk about dancehall again, you know. You see me, Kartel come out and make the place nice again, you know, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, man. And you can make for sure your viewers and subscribers, for sure you say, everything happen for a reason. Remember when Kartel go in a jail, you know. When Kartel get locked up, you know. Zine, when they lock up Vybz Kartel, you know, Vybz Kartel didn't have a US visa, you know. You see me? He didn't have a US visa. And viewers and subscribers, if you see a man spend 13 years in a jail and come out in less than a year and get a US visa, God is great. That's why Royal Boss say, God is great. And we know say God is great all the time. Because we are live, bro. We have breath. You see me? As what exclusive then say, rich life after the whole away. But what you do to make your richness, how you want to make your richness. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, a good look for the Gaza. It's a good look for the Royal Boss. It's a good look for the King of Dancehall. Because remember, Vybz Kartel can turn up in the place where the Grammy are given now. When them say Vybz Kartel, the man can step up on stage and go collect in Grammy. You see me? Yeah, man says a good look, man. You see me? I see them at the girl who make him get back in visa cause I see them lucky, you know, and give Vybz Kartel in visa, you know. Don't it? Yeah, man. So viewers and subscribers, it's a good joy. Gaza Nation, the thing up again. You see me? Although, you know, the Royal Boss never fail. 13 years in a lockup, tune a release like in living at the studio, bro. Zine? And remember, the teacher released the 11th track today. Zine? So, you can go check it out also. Go stream it on all platforms. You see me? Yeah, man. So, viewers and subscribers, until then, you know, just please remember, leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. You see me? And check out some more video on the channel. You see me? Because you know the thing go. That is it. Clock is quick. I'm out.
Now me gun and God. Me live in a chop road, no see me from when. Panama me dey a chat to me skull them. One door close, a million is open.
Me say that's alright, me no worry about it. Hear me as the guys the Vice President to represent for Zooskull Entertainment, you see me? For the latest update of everything we're going in the media right now. Zooskull Entertainment, I do it. Up more, guys.